This is the worst thunder and lightning storm I have ever experienced in my entire life. We have now got hailstones the size of golf balls hitting the house. My God. This is absolutely nuts. I'm gonna get a broken window in a minute. Look at this. Oh. You okay, Joseph? It's okay, darling. Don't be scared. Good Lord. Can you see the size of these hailstones? Let's go. Come back from the window, darling. We could get a broken window. Come back from the glass. You sit over here on the sofa, darling. You sit over here on the sofa, Joseph. Mother of God. Jesus Christ, it's the end of the world. Oh, it broke the windscreen on my car. Good heavens. It's okay, Joseph. It's okay, darling. It's okay, darling. Yep, that's one smashed windscreen. Oh, and that one. Oh well. I've never in all my days seen anything like this. Oh look, it's even smashed the wing mirror off my car. See it hanging down there. Oh, this is going to be some insurance bill. There's surely got to be every car in town with smashed windows. I better get my car into water glass now. I think they're going to be busy. Good, darling.